What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best electric skateboards in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. For those seeking an affordable yet high-quality electric skateboard, the Backfire G2 emerges as the top pick for 2024. The Backfire G2, distinctively black, is equipped with thicker wheels to minimize vibrations from uneven terrains. Furthermore, these wheels are replaceable, allowing you to easily swap them out when they wear down. The Backfire G2 comes with 3 operation modes: Economy, Sport, and Turbo. These modes provide a comprehensive control over your ride. The Economy mode is perfect for novices, while the Sport mode is designed for speed enthusiasts. The Turbo mode offers extra power for inclined paths, making the G2 a versatile choice for all types of skaters. This electric skateboard boasts an impressive top speed of 24 miles per hour, outpacing competitors like the Team G H5 that maxes out at 22 miles per hour. Besides its remarkable speed, the G2 also shines in its range, offering an average distance of 11 miles per charge. Some users have even reported surpassing this range by an extra mile. Braking on the G2 is as seamless as its acceleration due to the Hobbywing 10S electronic speed controller. This ensures the stopping process is smooth and safe, even at high speeds. Unlike many other electric skateboards, the Backfire G2 incorporates water resistance into its design. Despite lacking an official IP rating, the G2 battery is protected by a dust and water-resistant ABS seal. Its speed controller is also designed to resist moisture intrusion. Climbing slopes is a key advantage of electric skateboards over their traditional counterparts. While opinions on the Backfire G2's climbing performance vary among users, it's generally accepted that this board can tackle inclines of around 25 to 30%. With all these features, the Backfire G2 definitely gets our approval. Introducing the WOW Go 2S Max, a standout choice for the best value electric skateboard in 2024. This budget-friendly e-skateboard is ideal for novices and mid-level riders seeking a reliable vehicle for daily commuting or leisurely weekend jaunts. Its throttle control is user-friendly, offering a smooth, comfortable, and, crucially, stable ride. The board requires minimal maintenance, and its motors operate silently. It's cost-effective with a speed range that caters to both learners and those that are craving more power. Constructed from Canadian maple, bamboo, and fiberglass, the 38-inch by 8.8-inch deck promises durability. The board's flex is best described as firm. There's some give, but it's not overly bouncy. When pressure is applied, it returns to its original position reliably, albeit not rapidly. The WOW Go 2S Max owes much of its stability to the 8-inch by 50-degree truck coupled with 85A bushings. This combination ensures high-speed stability while maintaining maneuverability. Powered by 2 550-volt hub motors, the board can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers and scale inclines of 30% with 90mm wheels or 25% with 105mm wheels. Compliant with federal law, the skateboard's motor allows it to safely reach a peak speed of 29 miles per hour. Notably, the board boasts a high-capacity battery, supporting an impressive range of 14.3 miles. All in all, the WOW Go 2S Max offers exceptional value. Up next, meet the X-Way Flex Pro, the standout choice for the best mid-range electric skateboard in 2024. This model is an enhanced version of the X-Way Flex ER, boasting greater speed, improved performance, and most notably, increased power. The manufacturer has also revamped its mobile application, X-Skate, now featuring an upgraded user interface and enhanced functionality. The X-Way Flex Pro includes a state-of-the-art gallium nitride fast charger that supports dual charging, setting it apart from its competitors. But what truly sets the X-Way Flex Pro apart is its peak power output of 2520 watts. The question remains, can it outperform its competitor, the Meepo Voyager X, in terms of driving experience and overall construction? Let's delve into its specifications. The latest R3 remote control in the X-Way Flex series features an ergonomic design and additional features such as route tracking, online and offline firmware updates, and Bluetooth 5.0. This model also flaunts larger 90mm wheels, promising a smoother ride. The revamped X-Skate app allows users to personalize their board ride settings and displays essential board information like temperature and mileage. With an upgraded electronic speed controller for superior performance and a redesigned deck for the perfect balance of flexibility and stability, the X-Way Flex Pro achieves a top speed of 31 miles per hour and a range of 25 miles. Given these impressive specs, the X-Way Flex Pro should prove ideal for your daily commutes. Its handling is smooth, and the board glides effortlessly, making it a great choice for urban environments. Thumbs up! The next product is called the Meepo Hurricane, our second best pick for the top electric skateboard in 2024. The Meepo Hurricane features a T700 carbon fiber double drop deck with an integrated electronics compartment that can be accessed from the top. For those unfamiliar with T700 carbon fiber, it's a material commonly found in drone cameras, known for its resistance to cracking. The deck is broad and fully concave, offering no flex due to its robust carbon fiber construction. The board's surface is adorned with stylish wave-like lines that enhance its sleek profile while contributing to a militaristic aesthetic. Hidden within this sturdy deck is a mammoth 725.8 WH battery, providing the Meepo Hurricane with an impressive range of 31 miles on all-terrain wheels and up to 44 miles on street wheels. This powerhouse of a board can reach a maximum speed of 35 miles per hour, much to the delight of its users. As for the electric speed controller, Meepo uses their signature Langley ESC, always ensuring that they're equipped with the most advanced version. The Hurricane comes installed with the Langley FOC 70 belt and features a handy push-to-start function. This board offers 4 speed modes and 4 braking modes, which can be independently adjusted. The first 2 modes are gentle, ideal for relaxed cruising, while the 3rd and 4th modes offer a thrilling burst of power. A fantastic product. Introducing the X-Way Atlas Pro, the reigning champion in the realm of electric skateboards for 2024. This model boasts an exceptional performance range and comes with numerous accessories to enhance your riding experience. The X-Way Atlas Pro's unique selling point is its extensive customization options, allowing it to morph into any kind of electric skateboard you desire. For novices, the 2-wheel drive setup is recommended. Simply adjust the acceleration in the app and take your time getting accustomed to the e-skateboard world. Now for seasoned riders, the 4-wheel drive mode will be your go-to. Unleash the power in the app, activate turbo mode, and prepare for a thrilling ride. For everyone else, there's a broad spectrum of settings to explore and adjust to find your perfect ride. The X-Way Atlas Pro boasts a sleek, premium matte black finish that's indicative of its overall high-quality feel. It houses a battery with a 35% increased capacity, now at 701 WH. This translates to a range of up to 21 miles with standard 160mm AT tires and an impressive 46 miles if ridden with 90mm urethane street wheels. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, and now you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best electric skateboards in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.